So I own a commercial floor covering company. I've been in flooring my entire life, and we needed to find a way to get good qualified, skilled labor just about anywhere in the nation. But the venture into building a piece of technology really wasn't in my skills.
We started hunting for an option to, locate the best installers in the US and found nothing. Honestly started out pretty well working with developers in India, but we'd gotten to the point with our 1.0 platform that we'd built that little changes became very, very difficult.
One fix leads to another error, and just a lot of regressions, and these contracting companies can get pretty out of hand. Eventually, I just kind of told Daniel it's probably not worth trying to fix it or bring in someone to fix it. It's going to be easier to try to get a more professional team in to take the next step and really focus on our new product.
So we went through some mediocre success working with the Indian development team, but if we're going to be the first to ever do this, we couldn't miss the mark. It was at that point that we looked at the whole scenario and I said, here's what we're going to do. I want to rebuild the thing from ground up. And we're going to find the best development team we can possibly find.
So Breebug has this cohesive approach to delivering software as a whole and delivering success as a whole. When they come to us versus going somewhere else, they don't just get a developer, they don't just get an architect. They get a team who's going to guarantee that over time, we are actually delivering successful results for them.
I knew you could move fast, but just the idea that you could move this fast.
We choose good architecture and best practices because when new problems arise or we need to add on to that, it's not a Band-Aid, it's just another feature.
We didn't ever have to wonder what was being worked on or where we were at. The quality of the product that Breebug's been able to give us matches our expectation.
It was really that thread we were after. You could describe the thing once, they understood the requirements, they would run hard, and really took pride in the work that they were doing.
Daniel definitely knew what he wanted, exactly how he wanted it, and that was great. He gave us all the information we needed, and Daniel also did want the best. He wanted a quality product.
Really getting it to the functional stage where users actually see a target audience of installers that are qualified for that work, negotiate with those installers, and just have the entire experience all wrapped up into one place.
If one of our Go Carrera companies connects with one of the installers on our platform, they know how good they are. They know their abilities. They know their skill.
Breebug has been my favorite partnership I've had in the software industry. They really see what we're requesting, but they really dive in and set the bar for the future.
The one thing I've learned in owning Go Carrera is it moves at the speed of light. You have to pivot sometimes, but you got to have the team that can pivot with you.